Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 2, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here to the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, you should click here once on the switcher, as can you see, and now we can see here all our available networks, and now we can connect one from these networks. And for example, as can you see, in my case I got connected network here. We can now just remove this network by this way and connect another one, for example the first one here. So here you should now enter your network password. In my case that's from 1 to 8. Here by click once on this eye icon you can see the password to have no some mistake, and then click here to OK, and as can you see our device successfully connected to this network. And by the same way we can just add one more network, for example this one. Here enter by the same way the password, click OK, and then just to connect. And to turn off the Wi-Fi you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first you should open the notification panel right there, and here on the left upper corner you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate the Wi-Fi you should click once here on this icon, and then just hold for a while the icon to launch the Wi-Fi settings to just find and select the available network, one from these networks here. By the same way enter the password and connect, and then here if you want to just turn off Wi-Fi you should click once again here on the Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.